Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your Instagram profile grid. So if you want to, let's say, make your older post at the top, move it to the top. This is what you are going to do. You can go to your profile first and then find the post that you want to rearrange. For example, I'm going to find my older post in here. Okay, I'm going to make this ones right here to the top. Okay, let's move this one right here. You can just click on the post in here, click on the three dots icon, and there will be this options to pin the post. So when you click on that, pin to your profile, now the post, your older post will be moved to the top. So it will rearrange your profile grid. So if you want to add another one to pin to your profile, you can choose one. For example, this one's right here. You can click on the three dots icon again and choose to pin to your profile, and it will move to the top just like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.